Timbonga lehloniphekile, may we pray. Nkulunkulu mnikati wemandla onke siyathandaza ukuthi lo mseni lotawendiwa namhla ube phansi kwesandla sakho. Uphakamise elidumo kuwe kuze kuhlonipheke inkosi kusidale nesive semaswati. Lokhu sicela ngegama likaJesu. Amen. Ngicela Timbonga lehloniphekile kuvusela the Honorable Minister for ICT Mbonga Savana Mazia. Ngivusele Timbonga lehloniphekile, siyabonga Timbonga sisemsebentini. My apologies just now is the Honorable Deputy Prime Minister Imbonga Thulisile Dladla and the Honorable Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation Imbonga Pholile Shakantu Nembonga Her Royal Highness Ombane Ngosi Temaswati. Nanke my apologies le ngwatholile Timbonga. My notification my announcements to Timbonga lehloniphekile afunzeka kanje sinawo, though in our Senate notifications kepha ngisangikhumbutele nje Timbonga ukuthi even tomorrow we will be having our sitting la sesitaw adopta khona lo msebenzi lona lesoteblisha namuhla bese sesisebenta lama bills etimali lamathathu Timbonga sitokhona kuwashanyela siwabeke eceleni. Lokusho sikusasa la nga-10 Timbonga lehloniphekile kutawuthi ngalesithathu kutaba ne-residential workshop ilitiko laka Justice and Constitutional Affairs itaba se-Pikes Peak Hotel kusho portfolio committee yaka Justice leyo imenywe ngiyo EBC Timbonga. Kutathi mhla ka 19 kutaba ne-workshop yase UNESWA Financial and Operational Assessment and Roadmap for a Turnaround yase UNESWA lotaws attended lapho kutaba ngi-chairperson kuphela ngekuthi sinemisebenzi leminye shothi mhla ka 19 kutaba ngi-chairperson lotawuya ka-education. The same day which is the 19th there's a residential parliamentary engagement workshop la khona Timbonga imenywe i-Good Shepherd Catholic Hospital. Iyacela i-Good Shepherd seyitohlala neTimbonga itochazela ngekusebenza kwayo. Lokho kutawendeka mhla ka 19 takuqala nga8:30 ekuseni Timbonga esibayeni lodge. Lokusho ukuthi kutawucheckwa in ngayitolo ngabo 3. Is it correct? Yes, on the 18th, utawo checkwa in from 3 o'clock. You can check in. Timbonga tiyacelwa ukuthi sibe khona ngoba this is one of the medical facilities that's now Eveni, i-Good Shepherd. So sithenga kuba khona. Then ngalesine mhla ka 20 EBC my apology, honorable senators. Angecela lapha ngeke umhla ka 20 ngithi kune orientation workshop ya ka World Vision nabo bacela ukuthi sibe kanye nabo batokhona kusikhulumisa ngemkhombandlela wabo wa 2026 to 2030. They just wish to discuss with us their strategic plan. Ikutabe kuse George Gela nga 9 ekseni ngalesihlanu Timbonga senda umsendo wethu lomkhulu wa taking parliament to the people. Siya ezibondeni emphakathini wa Chief babe Chief Zabeni Shiba sitawuphuma ke Timbonga lehloniphekile ngeluthi lwethu siyohlala emphakathi siyokhuluma tonke letindzaba letimcwa kakhulu simukela na Chief lo ngena ngeSuthu Timbonga babe Chief Mathe. Honorable senators, we'll keep you posted. My announcements that akhona kuma notifications, but kukhumbutana nje ukuthi leya Friday leya taking parliament to the people. So long ngiwo lo mgomo wethu sikasive ukuthi sive sengwenyama sithi nikhona le kubo babe boshifu ngalo sithi nevele sicala lapho ukubuka lo msebenzi. Madam Clerk.
Honorable Senators, here is the order paper for today, Monday, the 17th day of August 2026. First order of business, tabling of subordinate legislation, the maximum bus and taxi fares amendment regulations, 2026, tabling by the Honorable Minister for Public Works and Transport.
Honorable Minister, standing in for the Minister of Public Works and Transport, Imbonga Induna Savannah Mazia.
Thank you, Madam President. Please allow me to table the maximum bus and taxi fares amendment regulations report. Thank you.
Nduna lehloniphekile chubeka wethule lawo leyo subordinate legislation. Thank you, Honorable Minister. Madam Clerk. Imbonga, the Senate Deputy President.
Angibonge President isicela kube kumono kulama regulations.
Siyabonga Senate Deputy President. Losho ubeka umono sekungaba kundlulisa enduneni ukuthi lilanga lesingakhona ngalo kuwabuketa lama regulations kuze anganolatelwa ngomhla ka-26. That is next week. That is the only available day list kuwabuketa so that the ministry is not delayed. Please communicate accordingly, Honorable Minister. Thank you. Madam Clerk.
Honorable Senators, let's move on to the next business, which is tabling of reports. Here's the first one. The report of the Portfolio Committee of the Ministry of Finance on the Value-Added Tax Amendment Bill, Bill number 10 of 2026, tabling by the Honorable Senator Tony Sivanze.
Thank you. Imbonga Tony, kungaba kuhlola nje ukuthi ngabe asasayiniwe imbonga. If they're not signed, we can defer sibuye go ekugcineni imbonga. Imbonga Tony Sivanze.
Kunjalo mengameli, siyabonga.
That means can we defer? Can we defer for now until?
Kulungile Madam President.
Thank you.
Siyabonga.
Politician imbonga ikhuluma ungayivala ukuthi ingakuphi. Madam Clerk, we will defer Honorable Senators. Sitawuchubeka nayo ekugcineni. Thank you.
Honorable Senators, as directed by the President, we shall move on to the next business, which is tabling of Portfolio Committee reports. Let's start with the reports of the Portfolio Committee of the Prime Minister's Office. First quarter performance report for the financial year 2026-2027 to be tabled by the Honorable Senator Prince Ngangabani.
Imbonga umntwana enkosi Ngangabani.
Asibonge Madam President. Ngicela kwethula the report of the Portfolio Committee of the Prime Minister's Office, first quarter performance report for the financial year 2026-2027.
Imbonga lehloniphekile into enjalo ethule umbiko wayo. Thank you. Siyabonga Nkosi, Madam Clerk.
Honorable Senators, here is the next one, the report of the Portfolio Committee of the Deputy Prime Minister's Office. First quarter performance report for the financial year 2026-2027, tabling by the Honorable Senator Prince Mphatwa.
Imbonga umvane Nkosi Mphatwa.
Ngiyacela, Madam President, to table the report for the Portfolio Committee of the Deputy Prime Minister's Office, first quarter performance report for the financial year 2026-2027. Ngiyacela, Madam President.
Mbonga lehloniphekile chubeka wetfule umbiko wakho Nkosi. Thank you, Madam Clerk.
Here's the next report, Honorable Senators. It's the report of the Portfolio Committee of the Ministry of Home Affairs, first quarter performance report for the financial year 2026 and 2027, tabling by the Honorable Senator Her Royal Highness Princess Demaswati.
Senator standing in for Her Royal Highness Umvane Nkosi Demaswati. Imbonga Isaac Makakula.
Ngiyabonga Madam President. Ngimele yona ibunga lengekho umntwana Nkosi Demaswati ekuthi ngithule ireport yelitiko lasekhaya.
La iphi kodwa mbonga lehloniphekile.
Le kota yekuqala yalomnyaka lona wetimali, Madam President, in the House.
Thank you, Honorable Senator. Please proceed and table the report. Siyabonga mbonga emuva sasendane. Madam Clerk.
Here's the next report, Honorable Senators, of the Portfolio Committee of the Ministry of Justice and Constitutional Affairs, first quarter performance report for the financial year 2026-2027, to be tabled by the Honorable Senator Isaac Makakula.
Siyabonga. Senator Isaac Makakula.
Ngiyabonga Madam President. Ngemvumo yakho nayayo indlu ngiyacela kwethula yona ipoti yenkulumo phikiswano yelitiko la Justice and Constitutional Affairs first quarter performance report for the financial year 2026/2027. Ngiyacela Madam President.
Mbonga lehloniphekile chubeka wetfule umbiko wakho Mthombeni. Thank you, sir. Madam Clerk.
Here's the next report, Honorable Senators of the Portfolio Committee of the Ministry of Public Works and Transport, first quarter performance report for the financial year 2026-2027, to be tabled by the Honorable Senator Chief Ngome Ndlangamandla.
Honorable Minister for ICT standing in for, oh, my apology. Imbonga le mele. Imbonga umntana Nkosi Ngome Ndlangamandla. Wow. Siyabonga mbonga lehloniphekile ngidisturb kunako mbani. Chubeka mbonga.
Madam President, ngiyabonga lithuba longinika lona ukuthi ngethulwe. Ngicela Madam President kwethula umbiko we-report of the Portfolio Committee of the Ministry of Works and Transport on the debate of the Ministry's first quarter performance report for the financial year 2027-2026. Ngiyacela Madam President.
Siyabonga Baba Chief, please proceed wethule umbiko wakho Ndlangamandla. Siyabonga Baba Chief. Madam Clerk.
Here's the next report, Honorable Senators of the Portfolio Committee of the Ministry of Education and Training, first quarter performance report for the financial year 2026-2027, to be tabled by the Honorable Senator Ndumiso Mdluli.
Imbonga Ndomiso Mdluli.
Angibonge Mengameli, ngicela kwethula the report of the Portfolio Committee of the Ministry of Education and Training, first quarter performance report for the financial year 2026-2027. Ngiyacela Mengameli.
Thank you very much, Senate Deputy President. Please go ahead and table your report. Thank you, Madam Clerk.
Honorable Senators, next is the report of the Portfolio Committee of the Ministry of Public Service, a first quarter performance report for the financial year 2026-2027, tabling to be done by the Honorable Senator Chief Zabeni Shiba.
Imbonga Baba Chief Zabeni Shiba.
Asibonge Mengameli. Ngicela kwethula Mengameli report the report of the Portfolio Committee of the Ministry of Public Service, first quarter performance report of the financial year 2026-2027. Ngiyacela Mengameli.
Imbonga lehloniphekile ngiyachubeka ende njalo ethule umbiko wayo. Thank you, Madam Clerk.
Next, Honorable Senators, is the report of the Portfolio Committee of the Ministry of Commerce, Industry and Trade, first quarter performance report for the financial year 2026-2027, to be tabled by the Honorable Senator Lindiwe Ngwenya.
Imbonga Lindiwe Ngwenya. Mengive kubitwa njalo. Imbonga Lindiwe Ngwenya, Commerce, Industry and Trade.
Angibonge Mengameli. Ngicela ukuthula i-report of the Portfolio Committee of the Ministry of Commerce, Industry and Trade on the Angibonge Madam President. Ngicela ukuthula i-report of the Portfolio Committee of the Ministry of Commerce, Industry and Trade on the debate of the ministry's first quarter performance report for the financial year 2026-2027.
Imbonga lehloniphekile ndanjalo wethule umbiko wakho. Thank you, Honorable Senator. Madam Clerk.
Here's the next one, Honorable Senators, the reports of the Portfolio Committee of the Ministry of Natural Resources and Energy first quarter performance report for the financial year 2026-2027. This one to be tabled by the Honorable Senator Pelele Mkonda.
Imbonga Siphelele Mkonda.
With your permission, Madam President, and the leave of the House, can I please table the report of the Ministry of Natural Resources and Energy for the first quarter performance report for the financial year 2026-2027.
Imbonga lehloniphekile thula umbiko wakho Mhlongwane. Thank you, Honorable Senator. Madam Clerk.
Honorable Senators, here's the report of the Portfolio Committee of the Ministry of Dinkundla Administration and Development first quarter performance report for the financial year 2026-2027, tabling by the Honorable Senator Kelani Dlamini.
Imbonga Gelane Dlamini.
Ngiyabonga Madam President. Ngemvume yakho ngicela may I table the report of the Portfolio Committee of the Ministry of Tinkhundla Administration and Development. First quarter performance report for the financial year 2026-2027. Ngiyacela Madam President.
Bonga lehloniphekile ndanjalo wethule umbiko wakho. Thank you, Honorable Senator. Madam Clerk.
Here's the next one, Honorable Senators, the report of the Portfolio Committee of the Ministry of Housing and Urban Development first quarter performance report for the financial year 26-2027 to be tabled by the Honorable Senator Sicelo Dlamini.
Senator standing in for Senator Sicelo Dlamini. Imbonga umntwana ngoSimphathwa.
Ngiyacela Madam President ngemvume yakho to table the report of the Portfolio Committee of the Ministry of Housing and Urban Development first quarter performance report for the financial year 2026-2027. Ngiyacela Madam President.
Imbonga lehloniphekile iqhubeke ndenjalo ethule ipoti yayo. Thank you, Honorable Senator. Madam Clerk.
Honorable Senators, is the next report of the Portfolio Committee of the Ministry of Agriculture first quarter performance report for the financial year 2026-2027 to be tabled by the Honorable Senator Fezeka Dlamini.
Imbonga Fezeka Dlamini.
Ngiyabonga Mengameli ngemvume yakho ngiyacela kwethula i-report of the Portfolio Committee of the Ministry of Agriculture first quarter performance report for the financial year 2026-2027.
Imbonga lehloniphekile iqhubeke ithule ipoti yayo. Thank you, Honorable Senator. Madam Clerk.
Honorable Senators, here is the next report of the Portfolio Committee of the Ministry of Tourism and Environmental Affairs first quarter performance report for the financial year 2026-2027 to be tabled by the Honorable Senator Lorraine Nxumalo.
Imbonga Lorraine Nxumalo.
Ngiyabonga Madam President Lethuba. Ngicela kuthula i-report of the Portfolio Committee of the Ministry of Tourism and Environmental Affairs first quarter performance report for the financial year 2026-2027.
Honorable Senator, please proceed and table your report. Thank you, Honorable Senator. Madam Clerk.
Honorable Senators, next is the report of the Portfolio Committee of the Ministry of Finance first quarter performance report for the financial year 2026-2027 to be tabled by the Honorable Senator Tony Sebanze.
Imbonga Tony Sebanze.
Ngiyabonga Mengameli ngipha lethuba. Ngicela ukuthula ngemvumo yakho Mengameli na report portfolio committee of the Ministry of Finance. First quarter performance report for the financial year 2026-2027, Madam President. Ngiyacela.
Honorable Senator, please proceed and table your report. Thank you, Honorable Senator. Madam Clerk.
Honorable Senators, yes, the next one, the report of the Portfolio Committee of the Ministry of Economic Planning and Development, first quarter performance report for the financial year 2026-2027, to be tabled by the Honorable Senator Dr. Linda Nxumalo.
Mbonga, Dr. Linda Nxumalo.
Ngiyabonga Mengameli. Madam President, with your permission and with the leave of the House, I beg to table the report of the Ministry of Economic and Planning and Development, first quarter performance report for the financial year 2026-2027. Ngiyacela Mengameli.
Mbonga lehloniphekile ayithule umbiko wayo. Thank you, Madam Clerk.
Honorable Senators, here is the next report of the Portfolio Committee of the Ministry of Health, first quarter performance report for the financial year 2026-2027. This one will be tabled by the Honorable Senator Princess Mfumbi Nkosi.
Mbonga, Umvane Nkosi, Intombi Nkosi.
Ngiyabonga Mengameli ngivunyelwa nguwe nendlu. Ngicela kwethula umbiko we-Ministry of Health first quarter performance report for the financial year 2026-2027. Ngiyacela.
Honorable Senator, sicela uqhubeke wethule umbiko wakho Nkosi. Nathi Mbonga sithandazele lelithundi lekupha kugodla imikhono la. Ngasi kudokela malangeni. Nkosi, lulame masinyane Nkosi. Thank you, Madam Clerk.
Next, Honorable Senators, is the Portfolio Committee of the Ministry of Information, Communication and Technology, first quarter performance report for the financial year 2026-2027, to be tabled by the Honorable Senator Her Royal Highness Princess Nxenge.
Mbonga, Her Royal Highness, Umvane Nkosi Nxenge. Senator standing in for Her Royal Highness.
With your permission, Madam President, may I table the report of the Portfolio Committee of the Ministry of Information, Communication and Technology, first quarter performance report for the financial year 2026-2027.
Honorable Senator, please proceed and table that report. Thank you. Thank you, Honorable Senator. Madam Clerk.
Honorable Senators, here's the next one. The report of the Portfolio Committee of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation, first quarter performance report for the financial year 2026-2027, to be tabled by the Honorable Senator Lizzie Nkosi.
Honorable Senator Lizzie Nkosi.
Thank you, Madam President. May I table the report of the Portfolio Committee of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation First Quarter Performance Report for the financial year 2026-2027.
Honorable Senator, please proceed and table your report. Thank you. Madam Clerk.
Next, Honorable Senators, is the report of the Portfolio Committee of the Ministry of Labour and Social Security First Quarter Performance Reports for the financial year 2026 and 2027 to be tabled by the Honorable Senator Dr. Stuki Motsa.
Imbonga, Dr. Stuki Motsa.
Ngiyabonga Mengameli ngemvume yakho nangemvume yendlu ngicela kwethula umbiko welkomiti lelibukele litiko letisebenti nenhlala kahle yalo sicephu sekucala seminyaka timali wa 2026-2027 ngiyacela Mengameli.
Bonga lehloniphekile ayichubeke yethulelwe umbiko ngaleso siswati lesihle nakangaka. Thank you, Honorable Senator. Madam Clerk.
Next, Honorable Senators, is the report of the Portfolio Committee of the Ministry of National Defence and Security First Quarter Performance Reports for the financial year 2026 and 2027 to be tabled by the Honorable Senator Qethuka Dlamini.
Imbonga Qethuka Dlamini.
Angibonga Mengameli. Ngemvume yakho Mengameli wetimbonga nayo indlela imbonga ngicela kwethula i-report of the Portfolio Committee of the Ministry of National Defence and Security First Quarter Performance Report for the financial year 2026-2027. Ngiyacela Mengameli.
Imbonga hlula abathakatha ichubeke into enjalo. Qhubeka Nkosi. Siyabonga Nkosi, Madam Clerk.
Honorable Senators, the last report is the report of the Portfolio Committee of the Ministry of Sports, Culture and Youth Affairs First Quarter Performance Reports for the financial year 2026-2027 to be tabled by the Honorable Senator Celumusa Mvoti.
Mbonga Celumusa Mvoti.
Angibonga Mengameli wetimbonga. Mengameli wetimbonga imvume yakho. May I table the report of the Portfolio Committee of the Ministry of Sports, Culture and Youth Affairs First Quarter Performance Report for the financial year 2026-2027, the best performing ministry, Madam President.
Mbonga lehloniphekile ndanjalo wethule ipoti yakho. Thank you, Honorable Senator. Madam Clerk.
Honorable Senators, the President directs that we revert to the tabling of reports item from earlier. We'll start with the report of the Portfolio Committee of the Ministry of Finance on the Value-Added Tax Amendment Bill, Bill number 10, 2026, tabling by the Honorable Senator Tony Sbanze.
Imbonga Tony Sbanze.
Ngiyabonga Madam President Elthuba. Ngicela Madam President ngomakho ukutablisha nama reports lamathathu Madam President kanye yokucala i-report of the Portfolio Committee of the Ministry of
Bonga lehloniphekile nayi ngasithulela nje le yokuqala ngalokuthi ahlukile impunga yami. Impunga iyokuqala nje impunga value added tax amendment bill. Ngiyabona ukuthi impunga ijakile kodwa nje asifake kanjeni. Siyabonga mpunga.
Ngiyaxolisa Madam President, ngibonga ukungiguide accordingly. Ngemvumo yakho Madam President, ngicela ukutablisha na report of the Portfolio Committee of the Ministry of Finance on the Value Added Tax Amendment Bill, Bill number 10, yeminyaka wa 2026, Madam President. Ngiyacela.
Mbonga lehloniphekile chubeka wethule i-report yakho. Siyabonga mbonga lehloniphekile. Madam Clerk.
Here's the next report, Honorable Senators, is also from the Portfolio Committee of the Ministry of Finance on the Fuel Tax Amendment Bill. That's Bill number 6 of 2026, to be tabled by the Honorable Senator Tony Sibanzi.
Mbonga lehloniphekile Tony Sibanzi.
Ngiyabonga Madam President, bengicela once again ku tablisha a report for the Portfolio Committee of the Ministry of Finance on the Fuel Tax. It's an amendment bill, bill number 6 of 2026, Madam President.
Thank you, Honorable Senator. Please proceed and table that report. That bill. Siyabonga mbonga. Madam Clerk.
Here's the last report, Honorable Senators, is from the Portfolio Committee of the Ministry of Finance. It's on the Income Tax Amendment Bill, Bill number 7 of 2026, to be tabled once again by the Honorable Senator Tony Sibanzi.
Mbonga lehloniphekile Tony Sibanzi.
Ngiyabonga Madam President. Nayilenye Madam President, ngicela kuyitablishela i-board ye-Portfolio Committee of the Ministry of Finance on the Income Tax Amendment Bill, Bill number 7 of 2026, Madam President.
Honorable Senator, please proceed and table the report. Thank you. Siyabonga mbonga lehloniphekile. Sithemba impunga isinika wona amabhodi. Madam Clerk.
Here is the last business, Honorable Senators. It's a motion without notice, number 8 of 2026. The motion will be moved by the Honorable Senator Isaac Makakula.
Imbonga Isaac Makakula. Or Imbonga Tony Sibanzi. My apologies, Senator Isaac. There's something that Senator Tony would like to raise. Please proceed.
Ngiyabonga Madam President. Ngikhosi kakhulu la kweimpunga eMakakula. Sengibuka standing order la angadumalo 63 Madam President, but ke sodwa ngivumela. Bekuthi mhlambe for purposes of iHansard. Mhlambe singa-checker angathi ukuthi vele bekungiyoyini impunga le yabekumuntu. But impunga is equally equipped ukuthi ingawendela umsebenzi ngcono. Bese ngithi nje mhlambe mase singahlola lokho because Hansard ngakhanza sisho lokunye siyabonga Madam President. Akayizi impunga ito wenda umsebenzi iwende kahle siyabonga.
Thank you, Honorable Senator. Mbongale hloniphekile, according to the table office, na induna ithula lama regulations lo wabeka umona kwaba ngiyo imbonga Isaac Magagula. So siyabonga for causing us to just go back to our records. Kunjalo imbonga Isaac, Senator Isaac, the floor is yours, sir.
Ngiyabonga Madam President, ngisukumela yena motion 8 of 2026.
Mbongale hloniphekile, please move and motivate your motion.
Angibonge Madam President, ngibonge nasendlini yonkana kuthola lelithuba lekushukumisa to move that Senate debates and adopts the blending of the bioethanol with unleaded petrol regulations 2025 in accordance with section 20.
Imbonga seyisifundzele kahle lokuthi yini lama regulations.
May I
proceed, Honorable Senator?
Read it again. To move that that Senate debates and adopts the blending of bioethanol with unleaded petrol regulations 2025 in accordance with section 2533 of the Constitution of Eswatini. I beg to move the motion here.
Hayi Mbongale hloniphekile ayichubeke ishukumise ikhulumise motion yayo.
Madam President, indlu itawukhumbula ukuthi ngaJuni kuwo lomnyaka induna lehloniphekile litiko le Natural Resources yabeka la rules khona lapha endlini kokuthi akhulunyiswe adoptwe. Kepha ke kwabonakala ukuthi cha angeke aphasiswa nje endlulise kanjalo, ake siweve ukuthi aphetheni lokuyini lokubhekephi. Kulandzela lokho ke induna ikukhanze kuhle linelitiko kokuthi ngalesihlanu lophelile the 14th of August kuthi kube nemfundza sasikolwa lapho sichazeleke kabanti ngekuthi le blending ye bioethanol iyini now iblenda na petrol, unleaded petrol kuyini. Bekunene sasikhona sithi Mbonga basichazela ngakunye nalapho sibona ukuthi oh sinembuto lapha nalapha kumbe akukhanyi kahle basichazela. Lesakuthola Madam President sasikhona sonke kwentiwani kunengi lokwentiwako ngalama rules and these regulations, Madam President. Ufuna kubukwa indaba the environment, the environmental landscape. Kuthi ayinokudeki yini ozone layer yayideplete yini through emissions. Ngale ndlela sifuna ukuthi live lakithi li comply nema protocols, ama agreements naloka lokukhuluma lokukhuthata kakhulu emave lawo langama member ka UN ekutheni ente konke lokusemandleni ukuthi abe nemthetho ukuthi sikwati kuvikela i-depletion ye-ozone layer ikakhulu ngekuthi kukhokhwetha intuthu tintuthu na petrol tihambisana njani na kwakhanya kanye ukuthi timoto emhlabeni nje general natihamba tisebenzisa unleaded petrol vele yaphuma intuthu so litiko kulokunye likutamako ngilo ukuthi asibe nemthetho kwesibili kwekuthi ngetikhatsi tebumadima kumbe kungenteka kube lithulusi leli lekuthi sithi kulwa nekukhulisa kwetimali tawo petrol not necessarily ukuthi kutakwenda ukuthi petrol ashiphe yini kodwa lapha na price kutawuthathwa into account lokhu ngaye kube for the positive or maybe kuye kube ngabi njalo depending on the foreign exchange volatility. Madam President, lokunye timbunga letakuthanda kukuva ngathi ngakubala konke besikhona tafuna kuva ukuthi etimotweni tethu letikhona lo unleaded petrol ahlanganiswe nale bioethanol akatu khinyabeta i-efficiency yetimoto yini ikakhulu ngibheke ama-models lamadala kumbe nawo lamasha cha satshele wasacha singeke kwendeke lokho ngoba rate lekawubhidwa ngabo lo petrol kanye nalo lesifuna kumakha la ngekhathi wale bioethanol utaba loku international okuthi ngeke kuhluphe le moto at 10% rate. Okunye Madam President lokwaba umbuto noma i-concern kwaba ngiko ukutheni kulaba ngibani lota kwenda lo msebenzi umsebenzi utaba phasi lo satshela kona phasi kwenkampani yethu lensha Eswatini petroleum company kutaba phasawo kodwa ke kuya apply through indlela etibekiwe emthethweni ukuthi utawukwenda kanjani. Madam President, sitawukhumbula ukuthi kunema protocol njengoba ngike ngawasho nje khona UN SDG 7 ukhuluma ngana lese ngeke ngakhuluma ngayo Madam President ye green energy kube khona COP28 nayo solo ukhuluma indzaba yinye sho sina indzaba vele ayisiyethu sodwa yemhlaba nathi lesi ngemalunga ayo imbunga tisachubeka tibuda kwakhanya ukuthi lokunye lokungasita khona lena wa looking forward ukuthi kube ne-energy security or sovereignty at the end of the day. Nawe la sitonze khona ngethi sathi lidolobha laseRoma lakhiwa ngelanga linye kodwa siphokophele lapho ukuthi sike sibe self-sufficient in energy petroleum products sitonze lapho at the end of the day. Imbuto yaba mnengi kodwa nje ama-concerns madam aphenduleka lokungaku-highlighta nje ukuthi yathi seyibekiwe lama-regulations lapha endlini kwase nayibukisiswa kulandelwa ibukiselo umthetho kwathiwa ewu kanti kwavela nale mhlanganweni lapho esikhona khona kulo mhlangano sikolo ekutheni kuhambisana kanganani nemithetho losakhankaswa Companies Act Bill ikakhulu ekutheni ungathi kukhulunywa nga minister na minister or regulator ucabanza ingaba khona iambiguity lapho ukuthi shothi nangabe ubo apply noma ulethe ama forms akho lokufanele ukuthi waloje waloja ku minister ungathi uyakhetha uyala uthanda khona kwase ke njoba ngibekise nje Madam President kwase lise litiko noma ke ihhovisi la ka Attorney General liba khona emamendemende lelwa proposal yokuqala ilapha under interpretation nakhona kulapho kwaba yi type of graphical error nje yakhuluma nge standard the national standard le approve kule definition yakhona nje kusinyalo seyifundzeka ithi Eswatini national standard means Eswatini national standard approved by the Eswatini Standard Authority in terms of the standards lapha bekuthi Standards Act of 2028 nase kulungiseka kufuthe ukuthi Standards and Quality Act of 2003 or its successor ngilo nje lokulungisiwe sibuye siye ngale ku section 5 nakhona kulungisiwe njoba ngishito nje ukuthi lokunengeka lapha ku 5 na 8 kufuna ukuthi ku-align-eke Madam President nale bill lesakhankanywa yetinkampani for instance kule original nayitablishwa le bill la yayithi lapha ku 5.1 Roman figure I the certificate of incorporation seku-ediwe ke ukuthi or registration timbunga tiyawuba nako nokulakito vele lapha ku 5.1 2 bekuthiwa the memorandum and articles of association nasikhumbula kahle siyebo sisayikhankanya leyo akusakhulunywa ngalama associations ngalama memorandum of association na articles of association kule new bill ngiko kwase kusala kuthiwa akusale kufundzeka ukuthi the company constitution lo Madam President kwaphinde ku 8 ngiyakhumbula nesihlalo Madam President sasakurayisa lokunasile ku workshop lokuthi ngasile ngaba nale consideration ye centrality hayi bese yalena lena le kodwa nje mhlambe to meet lo mbono we Madam President lapha ku 8.1 beyithi a blender shall submit to the minister bese kuba na lokungasi compliant first of all nalo ma provisions ale bill esakhankanywa and kwesibili lokune potential ekhonza confusion now can't minister ingati lutho ngosumuntu ukhethe lapha afuna kuya ngakhona but why avile kumane nakungenani lo a replace nga end kanjalo lapha
Tombeni maybe singa qualifier singalungisa le ukuthi ukhanzisa minister ingati lutho I know looks about tamax awufuni ukuthi athi khanza afake ngala ku regulator na ku minister but ngifuna nje impunga ngibona imibala ngosaphakama nase kuthiwa impunga iminister angadi lutho. Oh mhlawumbe usho not aware impunga sekukhona sayitolikela ngalo.
No, ngiqonde ukuthi Madam President angabypasseki. So angabypasseki noma ke nangabe kunalo o kusho bengabypasseka ayi lapha athanda khona lo yo lodge lamaphepha. Isike cha mhlambe ku safer ku minister as well as a regulator. Ngonje kunalo end, Madam President. Kanjalo nak 5.2, a wholesaler shall submit to the minister. Bekunalo oke nakhona. Cha kwathiwa no akasuke kuvele kubuye kuthi wholesaler without submitter to the minister and regulator instead of minister or ngathi ngilawo mamendemende umuntu la ngacela ukuthi timbunga seti workshopiwe teva ukuthi spirit and letter salama regulations yini to adopt with lama amendments. Ngiyabonga nje Madam President.
Siyabonga mpunga lehloniphekile awu usibekele kahle mpunga. So si refresh le sonke timpunga nanso labafisa kuyilobola bangakhombisa timpunga. The Senate Deputy President.
Asibonge Mangameli sibonge nakuyo impunga leseyiphakamise le motion lephakamise lama regulations siyawasekela Madam President ngalo ukuthi eta nengqubekela phambili kwecala impunga seyikhulumile lokuningi sisekela nje lokuthi lama regulations etane ukuthi kwehle linani la fuel otawuthathwa ngaphandle etengekhatsi siyakusekela ke lokho kakhulu lokho ukuthi lama regulations akavele aphase level tokhona kusebenta lokunye kwesibili lenguthanza ngalama regulations ngiloko ukuthi hulumende uyendile pilot study pilot project yale bioethanol uyendile sicabanga lokho ukuthi uyende yaphumelela lokuyanzisa nelive lonke kutawusita kutawukhulisa nemnotho umnotho nokuthi uye ngaphandle umnotho utawukhula la ngekhatsi eSwatini ngathi ngiloko Madam President benginalo amaphuzu lamabili angibonge Madam President.
Siyabonga kakhulu Senate Deputy President. Next Senator on my list impunga Mbane Nkosi Thombe Nkosi.
Ngiyabonga Mangameli. Ngisukumela kusekela le yona imove plus nayo lama regulations lebekabeke umuno kuwo. Sibonge nje kakhulu ukuthi indvuna yenkosi ibone kukuhle ukuthi nathi singemaswati sale sithi ucela wethu petrol ngekuthi sisebenzise yona imvelo. Lokwavela nje kakhulu mhlambe mawuva mhlambe ngekubhala kwalabanye kuyavela ukuthi lo petrol njena kuba khona ukuthi kunganokha engine noma kube noma ke kube nekudleka kwale nsimbi yale moto kusho ukuthi la kuhleli khona lo petrol sakubuta ke konke lokho kwakhanza ukuthi bathi ke cha lo leti moto lesetikhona kusho ukuthi sekwentiwa insimbi lengeke imane idleke nje leti nsimbi vele seti kahle. Kwaphinze kwahlolwa ke nalokuthi mabe kwentekile ngithole petrol lotawulimadela imoto yami kwathiwa lo blender noma lo manufacturer kuna 5 million latawumbeka eceleni ukuthi nguye lo ungabonakala ukuthi so vele uceba lapha alimete khona. Lokho ke kwajabulisa kakhulu ngoba vele sithi senda tinto ufuna sinake ukuthi ngeke sithi khanze sibuyela emuva yini. Sitfolile ukuthi ke cha lokhu kutasiqhubekisela embili phindze udlondlobalise umnotho wethu kwendlule lapho futhi kube khona ukuthi petrol mhlambe bakashukela bendlule nokuthi busale bentashukela khanze sisebanaka nje ukuthi basendele yona le ethanol noma ke lesithako lesithi sifaka kuye lo petrol wethu. Ngiyabonga ngiloko nje bengithangisekele siyayijabulela kakhulu le regulation. Thank you.
Siyabonga Mbonga lehloniphekile. Last senator on my list, Mbonga Nkosi.
Ngiyabonga Madam President ukuthola lithuba lokudebate le motion leta nemlingane la ngemuva. Sijabulele kakhulu Madam President lama regulations lasasilethela i-ethanol ukuthi ihlanganiswe ne-unleaded. Sifunzile ke timpunga setibekile lesikuthandze kakhulu ukuthi lapha sisitawucala nga 10% walo ethanol ungene ku-unleaded kanti lamanye imave asahambe ayofika ngisho kubo 50%. Buhle ke balo ethanol nabamchaza basho ukuthi lo ethanol improve efficiency ya fuel. Kwekuqala nje yena ngoba uyisolvent uyasita ku-clean emaphayiphi lesitawukwenda nje kushintsha ama-filter ethu ukuthi imoto ihambe kangcono. Lokho kuyasita kakhulu. Lokunye le sikutusa kakhulu kuloko ukuthi lo ethanol sabe simakha ngemoba. Lapha eveni siyamlima kakhulu ushukela. Laba kashukela bebavele bamakha ethanol mongameli sitawukhumbula ukuthi ngesikhathi sa COVID basakhele basanitize. Masanitizer ke abengingci 70% wa alcohol lokuthi kungaze ushetandla. Lokhu sekuya ngetulu sekuyagabuzela. Tinkampani lebetenda kwenda lama sanitizer nalokunye bekunkampani letimbili lapha eveni letenda lo bioethanol already. Nyalo sebatawakha info le ngetulu kakhulu lefuna bo 99.3% wa alcohol. Kusho ukuthi vele kungakushisa la ngakuphatha ngetandla kodwa ngiko lokwenda ukuthi fuel ibe more efficient. Sidumisa ke nalokuthi mongameli safunza lapha ukuthi lokufaka nje lo 10% kulo ULP wethu kutawu protector sibhakabhaka noma ozone layer nga 5%. Sikujabulela kakhulu lo ngoba noma ngabe sine silive i-emission yethu ingafiki etulu kangako kodwa kuyasita ukuthi sikhone ukuthi sibukele etinye indlela zokusebenza kokwakha i-energy event. Kwekugcina mongameli sakujabulela sakufunza ngalelo langa ukuthi lokhu sitakhela sine nje akusho ukuthi sifuna ukukhokhela ngaphandle asitshelwa ngumuntu lochamuka ngaphandle sitawuletha lo petrol afike lephuza moya lapho sitabe sibeke khona ema-fuels ethu afike endiwe lokhu seku-ready bakhona labatasiproducela. Siyakujabulela kakhulu ngoba ngaphandle nje ukuthi kuyadiversifya kuyalisita live kakhulu. Mongameli siyabonga siyakudumisa lokhu indvuna ichubeke isebenze. Siyabonga mongameli.
Thank you, Honorable Senator. Your Highness, Mbani Nkosi. Longokhela Nkosi siyabonga, you did a good work kule workshop. We have sikhuluma sonke sesathi bo bioethanol sonke sesiyayincancasa nje lendzaba. Nkosi wenda nje umseni lomuhle. Nkosi, please respond to the debate or whatever comment you may have to whatever they've said.
Bengameli netimpunga tonke tiphelele. Siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi timpunga tayi attenda le hlangano skolo wethu besinawo bekokuthi siyocaciselana ngendzaba ye ethanol bioethanol blending. Sibonga nje impunga Magagula lo nguyena wasibekela umuno ukuthi seyiyoqaqiswa kahle ukuthi nasi lapha nje sicelela ukuthi Solomon kayiphase lenzaba sesicelela ngeconfidence kokuthi emalunga ongasayathi ukuthi iyini iconzeni kunjani kuba khona ke kwa president nekuba khona kwa vice president deputy president nako lokho kwasinika emandla ekusho ukuthi kusho ukuthi iParliament timbunga tiphelele sekude lokungathini ngempela lo msebenzi muhle lona nemhlaba wonke uphikelele khona Madam President lenzaba ukuthi nje thina sisese 10% emave asale bo 50% 60 aphokophele bo 70 losho ukuthi elithe nje nawubuka litha lakho ukhanza ukuthi lo 70% 50% sewutaba ngilo moba lobonakala ukuthi kunjeyana le ethanol ke le yakhiwako le blending letawendiwa ungayakha ngembila njengoba esishito Madam President ungayakha ngabutshani lobunye ungayakha ngetishahla etinengi kepha ke kukhetheke lo moba ngoba umoba sengiwona uhambe embili kulapha kule sigaba lesi nekuthi ke Madam President njoba singawakha ngemoba kubuke ukuthi umoba kudla ngeke bese sithatha kudla siya kukufaka ku petrol sibe sengesuthi kusutha sekhashane nako Madam President ngako ke lo moba ke sesiuhlanyela malula futhi le price nje nayi yehla yashukela sikhuphula kakhulu ngalapha ku production of itawubekwa ke yonayo khona le phuza moya le ethanol le kuze kuthi itohlanganiselwa khona ngoba sibalekela ukuthi ingahlanganiswa ngiloya naloya atihlanganisele utawulethwa lapha le ethanol le bese ihlanganiswa ke ngilaba baka NPC khona lapha ephuza moya sengona ke Madam President bayithatha labe kunene bayimixe emagarage lokumcoka ukuthi nje ke lo sekushitiwo kuthi ema test sesiwendile anyway for 2 years Madam President kwabonakala lo petrol uyaphuma emobeni tafakwa timoto tase Simunye tafakwa ta uhulumende kwekuthi ingabe kuyasebenza yini na kwatholakala ukuthi cha kusebenza kahle nasiletha lapha eParliament nje siletha into leseyivele seyicishe iconiwe yaconiwa yaphelela ukuthi ke simbeka siyadilimela lo siyadilimela lo moba kuhle kakhulu ngobe njengoba sekushitiwe Madam President ukuthi kuze silanze umshukela le silanze petrol le sikhipha bo foreign exchange ngikhashane kunabo timpi lapha kunalokwa at least kuloko nasesinako lokwakithi lokuncane sesingasimdzinga bemnengi kakhulu petrol siphokophele bekuthi ke vele egcineni sikhuphuke nathi siyofika le kubo 70% inoma ngedulu kwaloko iMalawi nje Madam President say 20% osho ukuthi ke sivele siyahamba lo 10% nje siqalo kokuqala angibonge Madam President ngibonge umsebenzi lo wendiwe dimbunga lo wendiwe nguweni na Vice President thank you Madam.
Thank you, Your Highness. Sitawubuyisela kuye muva usala songa Thompeni. Sitoqhubekela kulokunye gojo.
Ngiyabonga Madam President ngibonga etimbungweni ngibonga enduneni lehloniphekile ngakuthi seyikhulunyisiwe awubonke bekunene bathi asukuma endleleni yokusebenza akaphasiswe ema regulations induna nelitiko kuhambe yosebenza Sibonga lokho, Madam President.
Siyabonga Mpunga lehloniphekile. Ngitawubefaka kini ke Mpunga ngithi the honorable senators, the question is that Senate adopts the blending of bioethanol with unleaded petrol regulations 2025 in accordance with section 253 subsection 3 of the Constitution of the Kingdom of Eswatini, number 001 of 2005, as amended. All those that are in favor will say aye. All those that are against will say nay. The ayes have it and the ayes have it. Siyabonga Timbonga. Sebentweni sokuqhubeka kahle sibonga nekuthi vele nawe uphumela ngetingane Timbonga. Sibonge nangema quarterly debates. Lenwende kahle kakhulu Timbonga. That was excellent oversight. Nisahlola onke ema committee. Sitawucela His Royal Highness Umntwana Nkosi kuthi wekunena sigucisele indlu izibuye kusasa mhla 18 August enga 10 ekseni. Ayiguce ngosibuye kusasa nga 10 18. Thank you.
Madam President, ngehlonipho sicela kukhulekela kuqisa indlu namuhla kuthi ibuye kusasa khona lapha endlini mhla ka 18 njengekusho kwa president.
Timbonga lehloniphekile seyisho umsile induna lehloniphekile Umbane Nkosi kuthi indla iguqe nyalo itibuye kusasa nga 10 ekseni mhla 18 August 2026. Labavumelana naye batawuthi aye. Labangavumelani naye batawuthi nay. The ayes have it and the ayes have it. The House will accordingly stand adjourned, honorable senators.